Welcome to our tutorial on enhancing online security through the creation of ZI-VPN files. In today's digital age, safeguarding our online privacy and protecting sensitive information is paramount. Follow these step-by-step instructions to create ZI-VPN files and enjoy an elevated level of security for your internet connections. Step 1. Recognizing the importance. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand the significance of online security. In our interconnected world, securing your online activities helps prevent data breaches, unauthorized access, and potential privacy infringements. ZI-VPN can provide the necessary protection. Step 2. Download and install ZI-VPN. Start by downloading and installing the ZI-VPN app from the official website or your device's app store. This application will serve as your powerful VPN solution, ensuring secure and encrypted connections. Step 3. Open the ZI-VPN app. Launch the ZI-VPN app on your device once the installation is complete. Step 4. Configure your connection. Access the ZI-VPN app settings and select your preferred connection type, such as UDP. Activate the corresponding box to enable the chosen connection type, which will establish a secure and reliable VPN connection. Step 5. Save your configuration. From the Settings menu, find the option to save your current configuration. Click on it to store the settings for future use. Step 6. Customize your configuration. Enter a name for your configuration and adjust the designated checkboxes based on your preferences. Customize the settings to suit your specific needs and optimize your VPN connection for enhanced security. Step 7. Save the file. Utilize the file option within the ZI-VPN app to save your customized configuration as a file. This file will contain the necessary parameters to establish a secure VPN connection. Step 8. Join our channels. Stay updated with the latest information, features, and security updates for ZI-VPN by joining our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. You can find the links to these channels in the description. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to create ZI-VPN files to bolster your online security. By following these steps, you can configure your connection, save your customized settings, and generate ZI-VPN files for enhanced protection. Remember to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for updates. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. That concludes our tutorial on creating ZI-VPN files to enhance online security. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and enjoy an elevated level of security with ZI-VPN.